How to install a cordless blinds motor system. Weighing and model selection. First, weigh the curtain fabric and curtain rail separately. Select the appropriate cordless curtain motor model based on the total weight. Gather accessories. Prepare all necessary accessories in advance, including the tubular motor, spring box, base, board-shaped pin. Assemble the spring assembly. Insert the spring cassettes into the corresponding slots on the base. Insert the gourd-shaped pins into the mounting holes to ensure a secure connection between the spring box and the blanking head. Then, install the brake assembly into the designated position on the blanking head. To complete the basic assembly, install the tube components. Place the assembled spring base assembly into the curtain tube and adjust it to the center or designated position. Then insert the tubular motor on the other side of the curtain tube. Secure the curtain tube. Align the curtain tube with the motor and spring assembly already assembled with the preset mounting slots. Slowly push it in and tighten it. To secure the curtain body, manual test. After installation, manually push and pull the curtains to check for smooth, unobstructed movement and to confirm proper mechanical installation. Remote control pairing test. Follow the motor's manual to pair the remote control to ensure proper operation.